kang'iyo matut, the problem still lies with the ministry. Nikech kitimo piloting, kaka now we are transitioning from 844 to CBC. Even before beginning the whole process of transitioning, nonego bedni the whole idea of transitioning and Gima involve all the stakeholders, majanyuol gi jopuonj ong'eyo exactly what they're dealing with. Nikech Gima paro ni pod chando jonyuol sana, pod wan gi that mental frame kata paro mar 844. Already was a move physically to CBC, but it's the old school thinking. We are still 844. And kongyo quality education, quality high school, pod paro Gima Alliance, Starehe, and all that. Kono again is chema iluongo nyathi school moro ma kong'iyo kata kong even in terms of infrastructure. Then the whole idea taking is that ni ma offers STEM to this other one is offering arts, but kong'iyo kata infrastructure realities mar school mo luongo nyathino. So it's very hard to convince that parent this is good because it offers STEM. What's the quality of the STEM there anyway?
Willis sincere paro mang'ise ni ma kapok wadhi e yueyo marwa mokwongo. Aume nyalo bedo ni in be itemo lieke ni skundego mago mag public ing'iyo to nitiere nyithindo ma koro noluonge C1